To edit an indicator's settings on TN Trader, first locate the indicator you want to adjust. Right-click directly on the indicator and select Edit. This opens the available settings for that particular indicator. The options shown will depend on which indicator you are using. You may be able to adjust inputs such as the period, smoothing, or other values used in the calculation. For example, if you are using a moving average, changing the period determines how many price periods are included in the calculation. A lower value will generally respond more quickly to recent price movements, while a higher value produces a smoother result. You can also adjust the indicator's appearance. Depending on the indicator, this may include changing line colors, line thickness, or the appearance of individual components. Make the required changes and confirm them to update the indicator. The new settings will then be reflected immediately, allowing you to compare the adjusted indicator with the previous configuration. If you want to make further changes, simply right-click the indicator again, select Edit, and modify the settings as required. Remember that different indicators provide different settings, and changing their inputs can significantly affect how they respond to price movement. It is therefore important to understand what each parameter controls before adjusting it.